Asian Bloodline Productions.
Yeah, Ryo, K-Fresh, Asian Bloodline, here with another one. You to be my shining star, the one I can hold at night and be the one to say you shine so bright. You're my guardian light, like an angel from heaven. You're the one I've been missing, so baby please listen. I wanna be your gentleman, I gotta have you like a daily vitamin. Cause you got me in love in multiple ways. Each and every time I gaze, I wanna put it all into a single phrase. You're my motivation, baby, let me be your protection. You keep me going, fully energized, obsessed, like I was chasing after a treasure chest. I wanted you as my special gift for this coming Christmas, cause I told Santa to put you down on my wish list. I wanna be the one to hold you down, cheer you up when you frown, cause you're my princess even if I the crown. And it is you that I've been searching for. I wanna give you my love 100 times more. And just close your eyes and I promise I'll never tell a lie. Stick together like a dozen butterflies.
First impression of you had me hypnotized. From your eyes to your feet, head to toe so unique. Sexy body, great physique, definition of beauty, like a treat, so damn sweet. Without you, where'd I be? Yes indeed, you're all I need. Make our dreams reality. If you're trapped, I'll set you free. Let's begin our fantasy. Emotion, devotion, hard working through the years. It will all pay off the day I bring you here. I know you cry at night, so I'll wipe all your tears, kill your fears, protect you through all of your years. I wanted you to be, and that's all I wish. Can't wait till the day I meet you for our joy and bliss. Then we can both sit back to reminisce about the things we did. Sit back to watch our kids travel the seas to see all the sights. Stay with you through the nights for the rest of your life.
I wanna be